Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the Traders Hunt series. My name is the Success Owner, your host on this series. And if you just view my channel for the first time, you're just seeing this video for the first time, ensure to hit the subscribe button, right? Give me a thumb up and also turn on your notifications so you can always see my videos each time I upload new videos every Tuesdays like this. And also ensure to leave a comment before you are done with this video, because I'm sure you get so much value by the end of this video, right? And also a big shout out to my subscribers and also to them, especially to the Forex Mastery students, right? You guys have been amazing. You guys have been doing so good for yourselves, because I've seen how some of you guys have been really been active in the market and also taking the market back to back, right, guys? And also, if you really want to join my mentorship shows and my mentorship community, right, and sessions, it's a 3 months program where I get to really coach you to become just as good as you dream, as you good as you really need to be to milk the market. And also, very importantly, I always get this question from newbies, Mr. Success. How have you been doing this? How have you stayed consistent in this market, this crazy market for quite a long time now, right? The truth is, right, it is nothing different from what you so know, right? The difference is in the difference between myself and a lot of you struggling traders is the fact that I have attained a level of maturity and exposure in the market that you don't have, and right, and this is why you need to sign up for my program to get to see those things, because to get to make up for your lapses, right? Because in trading, right, one of the key factors in trading is what you call management. One of the key factors in trading the financial market, right? Every both forex, crypto, stocks, or index, commodities, any financial instruments is what you call management. Right? There are 3 levels of management. We have the risk management, we have the trade management, and also we have what you call the money management. Right? Risk management is what is where everybody belongs, every trader belongs there. But newbies, struggling traders, experts, are all there, because that is where all the risk, your knowledge on risk analysis, and also strategy, what your trading plan comes to play. Because every normal trader uh, has good knowledge, has good enough knowledge on risk management, and also has a working strategy plan that he or she uses to trade, right? But then what becomes the second level of trading is what we call trade management, and this is where trade management is what separates the elders or the experts from the struggling traders, right? That is where we separate elders from struggling traders, right? Because trade management is where it deals with it deals with your psychology and emotional balance to deal with the fluctuations of the market. And this is where what makes expert, the ability to have that strong heart, that strong mind to be able to deal with the diversities and the craziness of the market, right? That is what makes uh, expert traders really experts. And this is how we are able to make good significant amount of money from the market more than struggling traders, because we are able to deal with all that noise, all that craziness of the market, right? We have that emotional balance to deal with the craziness of the market. So new struggling traders cannot take it. That is why a lot of struggling traders like to trade on the 15-minute time frame, because they're just looking for big money, that sharp, $20, $30, and they'll go and post on their status, disturbing everybody, right? But then the real traders don't necessarily show that much to me, because I don't think I hardly ever share the amount of money I make from the market personally. I hardly ever do it. That is it's for personal reasons anyway, right? Because I trade significant amounts of money. So exposing them how much I make from the market will be me exposing myself to some unnecessary risk, right? So unnecessary hazards. So I would want to really do that. But then another very important level of management is what we call money management, and this is also where you get to use the profits you've made from the market, from courses, how you invest them, how you're able to diversify your portfolio, what kind of business should you invest in, and all that. And this all three level of management, right, are part of the things you'll be learning in your training with me, right? In your training with me in the Forex Mastery Program, right? Because it is a 3 months program where I get to open your mind, open your eyes to how to stay profitable in the market and how to play the game long term, right? Because the management helps you to play the game long term, and this is what you get to learn from the Forex Mastery Program, right? How to stay in the business long term, not just make money and lose it easily, right? Not just make money and start with after the market, how to trade professional. This is what expert, this is what makes experts expert, guys. So I won't want to stress on this so much, right? Because I know everybody wants to see my chart, everybody wants to see the next buying or selling opportunity in the market and get all that ginger from me, right? But then before I show you guys my chart, ensure you give this video a thumbs up, a like, guys. Hit the like button. If you have not subscribed, ensure you subscribe to this channel, because as you can see, the value is already loading up on this video. Alright guys, and also ensure to leave me a comment, right? Leave me a comment. I will always respond to your comments. If it's a question you're asking, I will always respond to your questions on the comment section, right? And but it has to say, okay, guys, let me take you guys to my charts. Right, let's go to my chart. Let's see what the market is doing. Let's see where to make some. Let's go and make some money, guys. Let's go make some money. Hello, guys. So let's see what opportunities are there for us on GBP USD, right? And you can see this important level that has been holding for quite some time now, right? On GBP USD has held for quite it had held for quite a long time. GBUSD has hardly broken this level. The last time we BTC ever went past this level was in 2020 March, right? That was the event of COVID-19. Right, that was March 2020, the event of COVID-19. You can see 9th of March. So that was the only time BTC ever broke below this zone, and we immediately got jacked back in late March, right? March 9th, that was the event. So March 9th, yes, March 9th or 16th was when we had COVID-19 being popular, and that crashed the market. And that was when we had BTC. That was how GBUSD, right? GBUSD, don't mind me, I don't know if I said BTC before, but that was whatever made GBUSD break below the zone, right? And we immediately jacked back up above it. Immediately jacked back above it, right? And today being the what date is today? 4th of July. Was it 4th or 5th of July? Right, 5th of July, I think so. I don't keep dates. I'm not good with dates, right? 5th of July. Price clearly has broken below this zone again. So definitely this will be my like more like a target that maybe when it gets here, price could jack back up. But then what is actually the cause of this happening? Because for price to ever break below, for GBP to break below this zone, there must be an important economic activity that happened that is beyond control, that necessitated this this level being adulterated. So actually what's happening is the increase in interest rates from Fed, right, from Fed, and also which was done to cope the rise in inflation, right? It's in inflation. So that was what that, and this is also actually making the dollar gain really some strength and momentum, and which is why we are seeing US dollar pairs really taking the hit. US dollar pairs are taking the hit. So you can see how this guys is really falling down. This will be more like a target on it. So from the daily time frame, you're able to see that okay, this guy is seriously bleeding down. But actually, this was not the pair I was actually trading. But then this is a very important level too to look out for. So clearly, price seems to be already breaking it. So price is able to clearly break below this guy, then fine. It means that, let's look at it from the 4-hour time frame. It will mean that definitely we are going to the all-time low. So you can see price seems to already be breaking it and already headed to the all-time low situation, right? Let me call it a situation, all-time low situation. So fine. If you're able to reverse from here, fine, because this for me would have looked like a good triple bottom, right? For a reversal. This is supposed to be look like a good triple bottom for a reversal, but as it is, price seems to be really breaking it already. Price seems to break it already, but let's hope that the buyers are able to come at least to push price at least up to this resistance zone here. And let's just hope that the buyers are able to come to the rescue, right, to push price up to this zone here, right? Because initially, what my expectation on this guy on GBP was this inverse head and shoulders around here. You could see. So I was hoping that this would have wanted to happen, and but that never did. That never happened, right? Fundamentals had a better say. So you can see how sometimes fundamentals can actually annul, right, alter technical analysis, right, alter your projection, right, not necessarily technical analysis, because everything about the chart is technicals, right, because at the end of the day I still prepared for the worst. I was set it for this zone too, right, so it was not actually the fundamentals did not actually alter technical analysis. It only altered my expectation, right? It only altered my expectation, which is fine, right, which is fine, right. So actually took about the trade the guy actually took on this on in this market was AUDUS, which is what I'm going to be showing us in a jiffy, right? Which is what I'm going to be showing us in a jiffy. Why I took AUDUSD, and I was able to make significant amount of money today on AUDUSD. I kind of closed some positions around that. Okay, let me take us there. This AUDUSD. Let's go back to AUDUSD. So from the AUDUSD is the same reason, the same economic reasons, the reason why AUDUSD has been falling. Right, so on the weekly time frame, you can see AUDUSD. Wow, 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 wow. I think I should pay attention to this. Now I'm just seeing some things that make me to do wow, 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 wow. Wow, I'm going to wow. I really didn't see this, right? I would have still had, I wouldn't have moved closer if I had seen this really. I wouldn't have closed in a position, but then it's okay, right? The deed has been done. So these are sometimes you need to pay attention to the markets. You need to really pay attention to the markets. Look at this. You can see how ADUSD is seriously bleeding. And you can see how ADUSD has just been crazily bleeding. Seriously bleeding. So definitely this is the next target on ADUSD. So if it's able to break this zone, this will be the next zone on ADUSD. But I want to show us how I took AUDUSD, and how really I made some good money from AUDUSD this morning. So I think I captured this trend last week for you guys. I captured this trend for you guys last week, and I'm showing us the different touches on AUDUSD. So this was like the first touch. This was like the first touch, right? This was the second touch, and I was just waiting for the third touch, and we had this touch here. And from this touch here, I took the trade from the. After I took the trade, right, I took out AUDUSD, and as you can see, guys, up to this point, I come to this position, and that's where I closed. Right, up to this point here was where I closed AUDUSD. Give me a second, guys. So, guys, this is AUDUSD. So this is why I closed from this point, right? I closed from this point, but at the moment, you can see what is actually going on. We have more like a double bottom situation about here, and price is already responding accordingly, right? We can see that we're having a hammer, and you know what that means, right? The first master students understand what this hammer implies, right? A reversal, right? It implies a reversal. So, guys, this is an opportunity for you. If you're just watching, if you're able to get this video early, it means that we will soon be experiencing some bullish moves on AUDUSD and so some of the major peers, right? So most of the major peers might be experiencing some reversals soon, right? Hopefully soon. And I guess what else, guys? What I want to talk about? So, okay, let's look at KUSD card. This card has just been bullish. I want to talk about JPYPS or Euro. Okay, let's look at Euro USD. That's one of the second most traded pair, right? One of the second most traded pairs. So you can see USD2 has been crazy. You can see the fall has been crazy in the market, right? The fall has been crazy in the market because of the strength of the US dollar. So you can see if Euro USD2 has come for the first time to say also breaking this zone, right? For also breaking this zone too, right? After a long time, also breaking this zone, also breaking this zone. So you can see it has been bearish for a long time, right? It has been bearish, Euro USD seems crazy. It's looking so crazy out here on Euro USD. What you can see, counter trend break. But I think this catch this trade. I didn't exactly catch this trade. Didn't exactly catch this trade. Right. So sometimes it's okay, right, to miss it on some trades, even if you've set the analysis, also your expectation of the market. Right. You can see I actually missed this trade, but then it's below this zone, and that is very important. Right. So that's one of the most rated pairs. Right. So and whatsoever affects it a lot of times paints also affects several other pairs too in the market. Right. A lot of times whatsoever the way it moves also projects how other peers too move and respond to the market, respond to the market. So since this guy's zone is broken, right, I would have to, I might have to doubt that zone on AUD USD if it would hold, right? If it will hold, but let's just see what the market do from here. Let's just see what the market will do from here. So this is my projection on Euro USD. As you can see, this is my projection on Euro USD, guys. This was some very important significant amount of money that would have been made. Right, some significant amount of money that would have been made. But then let's look at gold. First, let's look at gold. One other guy I'm holding currently is BTC. So let's look at gold before I talk about BTC. Let's look at gold. What is this guy saying? What's gold saying? Right? What is this guy doing? So gold, as usual, does not repented. Still with the many flicks of noise. Right, still with the many flicks of noise. So you can see gold actually coming down to this zone that I told us coming down to this zone I told us last week. I think it touched the zone. Right, okay, we've touched the zone already. Right, we actually touched the zone already. This was my last zone, so I wasn't even paying attention to that particular account. The particular account I even used to trade it. So you can see that actually this guy gold played out correctly, but then it's one pair I don't actually like to trade. I always say that a lot of times. Although you can make in fact a lot of money trading gold, but because of the volatility and the fact that gold is always too crazy, that's why I don't exactly like trading gold. The craziness is what I don't like about gold. Alright, the craziness is what I don't exactly like about gold. I have to see something. See something. Okay, guys. So we look like we are trying to form a double bottom and possibly to shoot up from here. My gold will be experiencing a buying pressure soon, right? Buying pressure soon. So this is gold. This is my projection on gold, guys. So gold. Actually, I'm not on gold at the moment, right? I'm not actually on gold at the moment because that's it. My target profit on, I think my target part, as you can see, obviously my target profit has been hit. So I didn't even pay attention to that particular account because gold is one thing I don't, because I've actually set price on break even, and so clearly as it is, gold has actually hit my target and I'm out. So I'm not like I don't really like trading gold. And also BTC, right? BTC is I'm making some today. I've been riding BTC almost all day, and I must confess that's been an interesting ride on BTC, right? It's been an interesting ride. I actually waited for this opportunity. Actually, I had to take my time to wait for it, right? That's what we call waiting for it. You can see I'm still holding this guy, right? I'm still holding BTC. I'm still holding BTC. So notice that one thing very important about notice this level to be really important. And as you can see, last time we came here, we BTC danced around there and collapsed. So this gap here, I knew it was gonna be filled. And when we came here and I saw this, right, when I saw this opportunity, right, I did not hesitate to taking it. You can see how this level was really important, reacting. So I knew, right, we are coming back down here. So when we got there again, that was where I got ready for BTC now. Guys, killed it. You can see this guy is bleeding down, seriously bleeding. Alright, BTC, I'm seriously enjoying BTC at the moment. right? So you might have to take BTC to an operation room to really on to dress this wound I've actually given to BTC at the moment. So I'm still holding BTC at least up to this zone, or I might still choose to increase my uh, uh right risk to reward ratio to this red zone. So I feel BTC is gonna hit this, gonna get to this zone, or that 17K mark it got to the last time before that strong reversal. But then this zone seems more like it. But if you're able to break below this red zone, then definitely the next zone to look at for BTC would be this 17K mark zone. But for now, I'm just holding. Right, I'm just focused on holding my position, and I'm also if you can trust that I already set price on break even. I had a very early entry on BTC. So for BTC, use your strategy, whatever strategy you're using to join this trade, to join this trend. Right, but then this will be my one of the things I will take some profits around this level. Definitely, I would want to take some profit around this level to avoid stories that touch, right? Avoid stories that touch on BTC because I don't like what I hit. Because so guys, I think this is my projection on the market. I just wanted this video to be a little fast, because I think I said a lot in the previous video, so I don't want to say so much here. So look for an opportunity either from this zone of is to write this fall, right? Write this fall on BTC. So guys, I'll be seeing you guys uh in the next screen where I'll be showing you guys some very important things. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, guys. All right, guys, welcome back to my screen. I trust you guys got so much value from my chart and you've seen my projection of the market, right? And very importantly, guys, if you've not signed up for the Forex Mastery Program, you are missing out, right? You can see how much money you're already missing out from the market. So to get access to the course, use it is from the description. You see where you can send me a WhatsApp message or an email. Send me that message. Send me that message. Take that bold step and send me that message and get into the class so you can know this thing once and for all and make money for the rest of your life, guys. That is the essence. Because where's the point where in the trading the market and you would have to be gambling, making money today, lose it tomorrow, make money today, lose tomorrow, lose. No, what's the point, right? If you're trading, if you have up to 10 trades and you're losing 7 or 8, and winning only just 2 or 3, it doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make any sense, right? It doesn't make it means you need to get proper education on trading the market. And this is what the Forex Master Program is all about. This is what the Forex Master Program is all about. To give you that guide, that mentorship you need, right? That help you need to really trade this market for real and make money. Guys, there is real money in this market. Personally, this is what I do full time. Trade this market full time. I resign to my job to take up this market full time, and I'm telling you from since I took my decisions to quit my job to take this market full time. I've not had any cause to regret one bit, guys. I've not regretted one bit, one bit. Never a day. I regret that decision one because I make over my salary sometimes in a day, not even sometimes, almost in a day. Right? Average I make my salary in a day. So what's the point? Dealing with Lagos traffic and all that craziness of the road, right? What was the point, right? This business is a very simple business. If only if you get the right education, if you get the right mentorship, which is what the Forex Mastery Program gives to you, right? And also, I trust you got some value from my child. I don't really want to stress on this anymore, any further. We just do a one-time payment of $200. Actually, that $200 will be divided into two: a $100 for the course and $100 for the 3 months mentorship, right? And also, I get access to my library and also to my community, where I get to follow through with your growth even after your mentorship session with me, right? I get to follow up with your growth and your learning in a closed community. So trust me, it's also an opportunity for you to really get to trade the market profitably. It's really an awesome opportunity for you to trade the market profitably. And also, if you have not hit the subscribe button, if you're a new viewer, have not hit the subscribe button, you are wrong. If you're not sharing the link to this video with your friends, other traders like you and all that, please, you are wrong. Share this video. The idea is to help everybody make money in the market because come on, the market $6 trillion is a lot of money being injected in a day. No one person can take all that money. So let all of us, let everybody be rich, let everybody make money. That's why I come up here every Tuesday to share my chart, my scroll chart, show you what I'm doing in the market, right? So I guess I've said all I need to say. So I'll be seeing you guys next week, this time next week, Tuesday. So till then, peace.